Good morning, everyone. It is the 4th of May 2026, and what we're going to be doing in this one is going through our Kanban board and seeing what we have accomplished and what we're going to do this week. So let's go to working on it, and let's try and move some of these in done. So here, this one, high priority Coder Trader website. So we will shift this one over, and then we also want to we get the ribbons going, which I love in Monday.com. But you've also so we can go to the site as well and check it out. So this is the new revamped site, and I think the most important thing, right, for current members is education. So I have the education tab, and depending on your tier, you can sort of really just see what you will what you get access to. And obviously, you know, as the weeks go on, I'll grow each tier a little bit, but if you don't know what all the benefits you get, I've listed it nicely in these 3 tabs, so you can always refer to this when you want. Okay, so let's go back to the board, and so that's all done. We've taken care of that. Okay, so post on school, the new structure. Yes, so the new structure is going to be sort of this thing here, this thing on the website, but also I've outlined it here in this pinned post. So have a read through that. It pretty much just is a more verbose version of what is listed here. The math seems a bit weird there, though. Okay. Oh no, the math is all good there. It is all good. So yeah, pretty much just the same thing, but I thought I wanted to just put that on the school community and you know, have that written out properly for everyone. So that is that. So we can drag that one over and we get our little ribbons. Yep, and Monday's all happy we've completed that task. Okay, so what we still need to do is the options analysis here. So that'll happen this week. It is a bit overdue. So that is probably, I don't want to change the priority on that because that's not particularly a high priority. But what is high priority and what should be due maybe by Friday the 8th would be offboarding and onboarding. So that is actually quite important. So let's add a date to it. Oh, where's our little date button? Interesting. I saw it here, right? Add, move to, that's okay. Oh. Add item. Add sub item, working on it. Interesting. Okay, cool. Files, activity log, no. Let's just go through all these. Give feedback, email, description. Add stage, no, not there. Actually, how did I add a date to that one? Oh, easy. Okay, so I'll make that Friday, and that's high priority. So actually, let's move that up. And then, you know, not started yet. There was one more task that is actually high priority. This thing is options analysis keeps getting pushed back, but it is medium priority. So another thing what I wanted to do was I really wanted to, with the new structure, I wanted to have the code class curriculum outline. Code class curriculum outlined. I think it I'll just say / content because I do have the outline there. So that is, I probably get that due by Friday, and that is actually priority is actually super, I wouldn't say critical because it's not blocking anything, but it's quite high. So okay, and for those who don't know what code class is, so yeah, see we've got code class here. They're weekly lessons where we're gonna sort of teach you just the basics you need to get up and running, building your own trading algos, assuming you have like zero knowledge of coding, but you do know how to trade. You do know how to trade, and you want to automate backtesting, execution, analysis, reconciliation, record keeping, all that good stuff, which is actually very important when you're in the trading game. You need to be able to analyze your trades and backtest things in scientific ways, not just hand wavy stuff. And this is what I wanted to do. So here we had the old structure right here. I'm going to get a few more major subjects, major topics, particularly in terms of AI and how to send API requests to AI and things like that to get things done. So that is I think something, you know, very, very useful for the members. Okay, and I think that is about it. These are pretty low priority, so I'm not going to move them into working on it this week. We'll hit them another. This might become high priority soon, but yeah. So that's the major things we're going to do. And then also, if you want to keep up to date, in the loop with things, right? What I've done is I've actually put the Kanban board on the school community as a public website. So you can go to this here. So I say upcoming features, go to this. You obviously won't have the ability to edit things on the board, but you'll be able to sort of track. And then if you're hoping for a feature or something, you can see, oh, when is this feature going to come out? Okay, that is it for this week's update, and